In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to use one of the frustrating tools in Adobe Illustrator, which is the pen tool. After watching this video, you'll be a master of the pen tool. After learning the pen tool, we are going to trace out this picture using it. Let's get started. Select the pen tool and click on any point to anchor a node, then click on another point. You'll notice that it creates a straight line. You can adjust the lines using the Direct Selection tool. To adjust, just left-click on a node and drag. You can create curves by clicking and dragging. First left-click on a point to anchor a node, then left-click on another point and drag. This will create a curve. If you click on another point, you'll notice the pen tool automatically creates another curve for you. But what if you don't want the curve? All you have to do is click on the center node, and that allows you to create a line of your choice. Another thing you can do is to hold down the spacebar while dragging. This will make the line detached from its point. You can then place it wherever you want. Now we are going to trace a circle using the pen tool. Draw a circle using the ellipse tool and lock it. Select the pen tool and left-click on a point on the circle. Click on another point and drag, until the line forms a similar curve to that of the circle. The circular shape below the pen tool means that you are about to close the shape at that point. You can adjust the circle by using the Direct Selection tool. Just double-click on a node and drag. Now let's trace that guitar. You can add anchor points with the Add Anchor Point tool. Use the Delete Anchor Point tool to delete anchor points. Their functions are their names. The pen tool automatically does that for you. Just hover around a line or an anchor point. If you enjoyed this tutorial, do not forget to like this video and subscribe, so you'll get notified when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.